We'll guide you through how to change vertex size in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To change the vertex size in Blender, begin by opening Blender and loading your existing project file, or creating a new scene if you want to start from scratch. After the program opens, switch to the workspace where your 3D object is clearly visible in the viewport so you can easily access and edit it. Select the object that contains the vertices you want to adjust by clicking on it in the viewport. Once the object is selected, press the Tab key on your keyboard to enter edit mode. In edit mode, make sure Vertex Select Mode is enabled by clicking the small vertex icon located at the top left of the viewport, or simply press the 1 key on your keyboard. Take a moment to observe the current vertex display size in the viewport before making any changes. Next, move to the top right corner of the 3D viewport and open the Overlays drop-down menu. Inside this menu, look for the section related to geometry or vertex display settings. After finding that section, locate the vertex size slider within the Overlays options. Drag the slider to the right if you want the vertices to appear larger and easier to see. If you prefer smaller vertices, drag the slider to the left instead. Rotate or zoom the viewport to examine how the updated vertex size appears from different viewing angles. Continue adjusting the slider gradually until the vertices are comfortable to see and simple to select during editing. When you are satisfied with the appearance, press the Tab key again to leave edit mode and return to object mode. Finally, save your Blender project by pressing Ctrl+S so your new vertex display settings remain stored with your work. Changing the vertex size only affects how the vertices are displayed in the viewport and does not modify the geometry of your model. Larger vertices can make selections easier, especially when working on detailed meshes or using a monitor. Smaller vertices may help reduce clutter when editing complex objects with many points close together. You can return to the Overlays menu at any time and repeat these adjustments whenever your project requires a viewing preference. This simple setting can improve visibility, accuracy, and comfort while modeling in Blender during sessions.